South Korea's Hyundai Rotem has sealed a major contract with Poland to supply a second batch of K2 Black Panther main battle tanks, a deal valued at approximately $6 billion that significantly enhances NATO's armored capabilities amid evolving European security concerns, Reuters reports. This purchase follows Poland's ramped-up military budget following Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine and represents the largest single arms export ever made by South Korea, underscoring the K2 tank's growing importance in NATO defense and Seoul's push to become a leading global arms exporter. The K2 Black Panther is widely regarded as one of the most sophisticated main battle tanks currently operational. Hyundai Rotem designed the tank with cutting-edge features such as modular composite armor, a 120mm smoothbore gun equipped with an autoloader, advanced targeting and fire control technology, and a hydropneumatic suspension system that greatly enhances off-road mobility and ride stability. Additional capabilities include an active protection system to counter anti-tank weapons and the ability to traverse deep water obstacles, which suits the diverse terrain found in Europe. Under the new agreement, Poland will receive around 180 additional units, 117 built in South Korea and the rest assembled locally by Poland's state-owned Polish Armaments Group, PGZ. This arrangement also includes technology transfer and customization to meet the Polish Army's specific operational needs, a key component of the broader collaboration between the two nations. The K2 tank was first deployed by the South Korean military in 2014 after over a decade of development aimed at replacing the older K1 tanks. Its modular structure and advanced features have made it highly adaptable for export markets. It competes directly with well-known Western tanks such as Germany's Leopard 2A7 and the US M1A2 Abrams. Poland initially procured K2 tanks in 2022 as part of a $13.7 billion defense package that also included K9 self-propelled howitzers and Fa-50 light combat jets. This purchase established Poland as Hyundai Rotem's largest defense client. The follow-up deal expands this partnership, emphasizing local production, increased sourcing of components domestically, and industrial benefits aligned with the EU's Rearm Europe plan, which promotes enhanced local defense manufacturing and supply chain independence. Compared to older Western battle tanks, the K2 offers several advantages including its sophisticated suspension system, amphibious mobility, and integrated active protection technology. These features collectively boost the tank's operational flexibility and survivability against modern battlefield threats. Furthermore, its digital systems and modular armor facilitate rapid upgrades, a vital capability given the fast-changing security challenges on NATO's eastern borders. Beyond the military aspects, this contract has significant geopolitical implications. Establishing a tank production line in Poland strengthens Europe's defense industrial capacity and NATO interoperability, supporting Warsaw's ambition to maintain one of Europe's largest armored forces. For South Korea, the deal is a demonstration of its defense sector as a strategic instrument of diplomacy and economic growth. It reinforces bilateral ties with European partners and advances Seoul's goal, promoted by President Yoon Suk-yeol's government, to become a top 4 global arms exporter by 2027. The local assembly also sets a precedent for other NATO countries considering modern, dependable armor that integrates with their own industrial bases. The $6 billion agreement firmly positions Hyundai Rotem as a major competitor in the global armored vehicle market and highlights the K2's appeal beyond Asia. It fits into South Korea's broader export strategy after breaking records with $17.3 billion in defense contracts in 2022 and facing a slowdown to $9.5 billion in 2024. Ongoing discussions and export events signal further opportunities in regions like Europe and the Middle East, where nations such as Iraq and the United Arab Emirates continue to show interest in South Korean armored vehicles. This latest achievement for the K2 Black Panther underscores South Korea's transformation of its defense industry into a vital global player, shaping security landscapes in Europe and beyond while fostering deep industrial partnerships that deliver broad technological, economic, and geopolitical benefits.